everyone, Matt Spews here, coming to you with another review video. This time we're reviewing the side salad at Dairy Queen. So let's try it out. Most likely it's just lettuce, tomato, and ranch dressing. So.
But since all salad tastes differently, that's why he's doing a review, everybody.
Oh, it's actually really good. The ranch is really good here. I definitely give the ranch a 10 out of 10. I give that salad a 10 out of 10 too. I mean, it's a really good basic salad. So I definitely like it. For me, I would probably get the salad and then put the 2-piece chicken on it. That would be for me, but since that's my wife's salad, she's just gonna have it by itself.
Yeah.
So, and then she wants me to also do another review. I'm gonna be doing a review on Blizzard. So this is a Reese's Blizzard that my wife got, so she wants me to try it. That's actually really good.
Did you get any of the chocolate, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
I'll give that a 10 out of 10. Where Blizzard actually is better than Culver's.
That is not better than Culver's. Culver's concrete mixer with vanilla and Reese's peanut butter cups will always be the best.
In your book, but to me, that tastes better.
Nope.
So, I like the creamier better. So, that's most of the review stuff. I mean, the fries are really good. I give those things maybe about an 8 out of 10. As for the chicken, chicken's pretty good. I'll give that a solid 8.
What about the burger?
As for the flamethrower burger, the extra pickles on the side is my wife's pickles from her sandwich. Oh, this is called the flamethrower. I'll take a bite. Good solid burger. I'll give that a good solid 8.5 out of 10. Definitely a big improvement from the last one we had DQ. It doesn't taste microwaved like the one time we went there. So I definitely would give DQ a solid 9 out of 10 overall. So until next time, this is your host, Matt Spews, signing out. Bye.